Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. The weather is looking dry across the area. It was quite a busy afternoon with a round of snow squalls that delivered the Arctic air that is now with us this evening. Let's take a live look at the radar. Things are looking quiet. There is lake effect snow that's developing north of the Mohawk Valley, and it's going to stay entirely north over the next couple of days. A major event, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. But if you are heading out and about this evening, the wind is still going to cause problems. We're expecting wind gusts between 20 to 30 miles an hour, and that could cause some blowing and drifting snow, especially since we picked up a hefty accumulation north of the valley yesterday. That's the area that I'm most concerned about, especially those open areas. 4 degrees is the current temperature. It feels like 16 below zero with a sustained west wind at 17 miles an hour. Main roads are in pretty good shape. As we look at our sky watchers, 4 below zero in Gray, Squaw Mountain 1 below zero, Barneveld 2 above, Steuben 1, Glenmore 0, Old Forge 0. Southern Valleys low single digits to below zero. Hartwick 1 below zero, Milford 2, Worcester 2, and also Roseboom checks in with 2 degrees. There's our email address, weather@wktv.com. If you have if you want to report a temperature, we can try to fit room on the map for you. The winds will stay blustery over the next few hours, and again, that is going to cause some blowing snow and some whiteouts, but the winds do slacken off. It's still going to be breezy tonight, but the wind will not be quite as strong. Expecting the winds to remain between 10 to 15 miles an hour overnight. That's also going to cause a pretty hefty wind chill to deal with as we head into tomorrow morning. The wind chill remains very cold tonight. By 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it bottoms out between 20 to 30 below. So on exposed skin, the frostbite time is about 15 minutes. Heading into tomorrow afternoon, it stays below zero, 10 below zero by 5 p.m. So tomorrow is going to be the coldest day of the next 7. Heading into Friday morning, sure, we still have a sub-zero wind chill, just not quite as dramatic here. Between about 10 to 15 below zero, and then things do improve. On Friday, the wind chill climbs above zero in the afternoon. An Arctic front heading to the east will deliver some very heavy lake effect snow to the north country, but that stays north. The winds will be very consistent here over the next couple of days. The weather stays dry, windy, and cold as we head into tonight. Again, watch out for some blowing and drifting snow. Start out tomorrow morning with temperatures below zero. Heading into tomorrow afternoon, again, the weather remains dry, sunshine, breezy conditions. The one exception north of the Mohawk Valley, Lewis County, northern Herkimer County, just getting pummeled with lake effect snow. Heading into Friday, again, not much changes here. It does start to warm up, relatively speaking. Temperatures will be in the teens Friday afternoon. Let's talk about that lake effect snow. For those of you that love snowmobiling, the Tug Hill is going to get a really heavy accumulation, 2 to 4 feet of snow. There are some suggestions in our computer models that could be close to 5 feet, but that's at this point, that's just a stone throw. We'll take a closer look. 1 to 2 feet for Lewis County, Old Forge. You're right around a foot of snow expected. Everything happens north of Rome, so from Rome and points south, we're not expecting an accumulation. Frigid tonight, we're 10 below zero. Tomorrow, a very cold day. The heavy snow stays to the north, a high of 7. The wind chill stays below zero throughout the entire day. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We continue to track the cold on Friday, 13 for the high. We're up to 26 on Saturday. And then the weather changes in a major way. On Sunday, we're above freezing. And then heading into next week, we're talking about temperatures in the mid-40s along with some rain. So pretty dramatic changes here. Hence the heat wave.
Up the roller coaster, right?
Climbing up the roller coaster. I don't think I've ever seen it go the other way so quickly.